This is giving me good vibes. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this cute makeup look. So do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, a video tutorial on this hairstyle is on my channel. Do make sure to watch it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Then I'll be using this matte fine primer from Fora Cosmetics. So I already did my brows off camera. Going into my e.l.f. Camo 16 hours camo concealer, and this is in rich chocolate. So I'm just going to put like a dot on both sides. So this is going to serve as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to take my brush and just blend that out. So now I'll be going into my Juvia Space palette. This is the Nubian by Juvia. As you can see, it's new. I just got it. I think I'll be going in with this brown shade right here. Yep. And I'll be placing that all over. Now I'm going to just use the leftover the brush to just blend that out. Now I'm going into my eyeliner. I have a tutorial on how to draw your liner. You can go and watch that. So I'll do the other side and fix my lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my liner and lashes. So now I'm going into foundation, and the foundation I'll be using today is this L'Oreal True Match foundation. And this is in deep golden W10. So moving on to concealer, I'll be using the same e.l.f. concealer that I used under my brows, my eyes. So So today I'll be doing a cream contour. I never do a cream contour, like never ever. So I'll be using this 16 hours camo concealer in Rich Ebony to contour my face, okay? And like that. Then grab my contour brush and just tap and so I'm just blending upwards, okay? So okay, this is giving me good vibes. Alright, so I'm going to take more of that and go around my face. So next up is to set my face, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in deep. So I'm just gonna take out some. Okay, so taking the other side of my beauty blender, dusting up the excess powder, and I'm going to press that in. I'm going to press it in. Press everywhere that I have concealer. So I'll be setting my contour. The brush I use for my foundation to, just blend everything together. So now I'll be using my e.l.f. setting spray. So I'm going to take my foundation brush one more time and press this setting spray in. Then moving on to lip, I'll be right back. So lips done, and I'll be using this e.l.f. big eyeliner. She's going to a little bit. So I'll be right back.